Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take this lovely Alfa Romeo GTV6 2.5 out for a little blast to show you this most amazing Busso V6 engine which Alfa created and why it's such a thrill to drive. Here we go. Lovely cockpit, lovely place to be in. Glorious, just glorious sound. Let's clear a bit of space. Lovely. Oh yes. What a sound. Pedals are in perfect position for heeling and towing. Really nice. Everyone just dawdling along in their stupid little Audis and crap. Well, that's just a short little video. Hope you enjoyed that. I couldn't really take it out because there's too much traffic about. But there we go. Nice little video of the Alfa GTV6 2.5. Take care. Cheers.